Come with me as I pull my deposit from the Noise app.
I'll preface this by saying it really wasn't that great of a month. I primarily work with 3 campaigns, more often though 2, and I reliably post twice a day. So here I have 521 available for withdrawal. There is a little fee for withdrawing, so I'm going to cash out $500. It really wasn't that great of a month. I didn't really have any of my content go viral. This is probably just like a standard earnings for people who don't go viral. So if you're thinking about it, and like $500 is still like a lot extra if you think about it in an annual income, it's totally worth it.